Now, cancer is said to kill 60 Kenyans every day, killing more people than HIV, TB and malaria combined. The killer disease remains a big burden to the nation. The situation presents a crisis the government has set out to fight by launching a 21 billion shilling project aimed at acquiring the facilities for the treatment of the disease. And now Kenya is also set to host the 9th annual Forum of African First Ladies against breast, cervical and prostate cancer in July. Sharon Momanyi reports.
Phyllis Wangari is a woman in immense pain. 4 years ago, she was diagnosed with breast cancer, but the diagnosis was made late and she had to undergo a mastectomy. Sadly, the cancer had spread to the other breast.
Nikaenda session mara sita sasa. Nilipomaliza hizo mara sita, nikarudiwa kupimwa tena, nikatumwa Kakani. Nikafanywa skani, nikarudiwa kupimwa tena. Nikaambiwa bado hiyo ugonjwa wangu inaendelea bado, haijaisha. Nikarudia tena session sita tena. Na hizo sasa nilikuwa namaliza kama ngiri 20 na tena shida nyingi za kulala.
Her biggest challenge has been the difficulty in accessing the care she so needs.
Kukimbia kwa Kenyatta nao wakaanza wakanianzia kliniki kuja next week. Sasa hapo bado nilikuwa nishakatwa. Nilikuwa sina hata mahali pa kulala. Naenda nalala hapo kasi yote. Tumbi yake narudi kwa daktari.
Phyllis is just one of many cancer patients who struggle with the high cost of treating the disease and the difficulty in accessing care due to very few facilities available in the country to manage it. But the Ministry of Health states that the 21.5 billion shilling project meant to overhaul and advance cancer management in the country is well underway.
The contracts were awarded, the companies have started work, and we told them that even before you pay them a cent, they must put pilot or model hospitals to show us what Kenyans you get from this project. And Your Excellency, we choose 4 hospitals: Machakos, we choose Kakamega, we choose Homa Bay, and we choose Thika.
The project, launched in February this year, is meant to see 2 hospitals in each of the 47 counties fully equipped with cancer treatment facilities. Health Cabinet Secretary James Macharia says there's even more.
We shall also be going ahead, and like Dr. Muraguri mentioned, also now have radiology treatment centers. For this is a separate project which will be starting in July. And for that, Your Excellency, we are starting with 4 centers.
Kenya will host the 9th annual Forum of African First Ladies against breast, cervical and prostate cancer in July, a forum aimed at bringing together the whole continent, joining efforts in the fight against the killer disease. To this end, First Lady Margaret Kenyatta Wednesday morning hosted a sponsorship meeting with private and public stakeholders.
The 9th SCCA conference creates a platform where stakeholders from various sectors can come together and share experiences in the fight against cancer. As the host nation of this conference, we must show our commitment to fighting cancer.
60 people die from cancer in Kenya every day, ranking the disease the 3rd killer disease after infectious and cardiovascular diseases in the country, also making the fight against cancer a very critical one in the country. Sharon Momanyi, KTN, Nairobi.